My name is Maha Rahman, and I have been associated with the LUMS Entrepreneurial Society for the last 4 years. And I've been associated with the Young Leaders and Entrepreneurs Summit ever since its inception. I was a participant in this summit the first time it happened, and I've been an organizer ever since. But this year the role was more strategic, and it was more towards guiding the event towards a particular vision and towards putting it together for such a big event. So as a vice president, one of the key responsibilities was giving the conference a vision that was in line with the society's vision for the year, and secondly, with regards to the society and with regards to the host team, was selecting an appropriate host team and then gearing everyone and motivating everyone to pull off a successful summit at the end of the day. So that included setting a vision down for the conference, setting the theme, then planning a timeline of how things were to proceed. I, together with the other 3 members of the convening committee, used to conduct meetings with around 20 departments of the hosting that we had, including marketing, events, external promotion, logistics, printing, publications. So that was an entire streamlined process so that we could execute this conference and bring it into a reality. And for this, obviously, we started preparations as early as the summer. And just to add a little, Young Leaders and Entrepreneurs Summit is one of the 4 projects that the LUMS Entrepreneurial Society is responsible for. Vilas has definitely matured over the time, and so have the events. Every year after the event, we sit down, we jot down our key learnings, we hold discussions, and that is how we take the event forward from there. The events have evolved over time, the way the hosting works has evolved over time, the way it fits in line with the LUMS Entrepreneurial Society's agenda has evolved over time. For instance, we used to have a very different set of competitions for the summit when it was initiated in 2007. There was a corporate symposium that asked for a SWOT analysis of the company. However, when Vilius this year had a lot more meaning to it. It had a lot more learning. It was a greater learning experience for the delegates. It was definitely a very jam-packed schedule for the delegates, but at the end of the day, we tried to ensure that we impart the maximum learning experience to the delegates via this conference. And this summit has definitely matured over time with regards to the size, with regards to the events that we are holding, with regards to the way the host team and the society as far as that is concerned.